Hi, Lucy. Who's that? Is that Mama under the blankets? Is that Mama? Hi, Lola. Where's Mama, Lola? Lola, Mama wants kisses. Where's Mama? Mama wants kisses. There's Mama. There he is. You give him kisses? You gonna give him kisses? You love Mama, Noni. You love Mama. He's such a good big brother. Mama, I'm sorry you were sleeping. Uh-oh. Not two girls licking my ears. It's like, Lola, what are you doing? What are you doing?
We won $5.4 million in the Oregon lottery, and to this day, it's still like a dream.
Noni. Lola. Go give Mama kisses, not Mommy. Mommy kisses, not Mommy. What's Lucy doing to Milo? Hi, Mama. I say I can see Grandma. You want to see Grandma tomorrow? Oh, Lola. No more kisses for Mama. He's tired. Like, Mommy, please help me. She's licking my ear. Lucy, why do you like the computer so much?
And Tom, I think that's so wonderful to hear because so many